Welcome to Peaceful Meditation. Before begin, find a place now, a quiet place where you can rest, where you can just be. Sit down or lie down, whatever feels right, whatever feels soft. The world can wait, it always does. Close your eyes gently, like petals falling, and listen. Listen to the stillness, the space between, the breath that's already there, waiting for you. Take a breath now, slow, deep, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Feel it move, cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. In, out, in, out. There's no rush, no need to hurry, just this, just now, just you. Your mind might wander. It's okay. It's what minds do. Thoughts come like clouds drifting across the sky, some light, some heavy, some loud, some soft. You don't need to hold them, don't need to chase them, don't need to fight them. Just watch, just notice, just let them be. They'll pass, they always do. Slow, slower, gone. Feel your body now. Feel where it touches the ground, the chair, the bed. Feel the weight, the gentle pull, the way it sinks just a little into the softness beneath you. Start at your feet. Let them rest, let them soften, like stones smoothed by a river. No need to move, no need to tense, just let them be heavy, calm, still. Move up now to your legs, your knees, your thighs. Feel them release, feel them settle like leaves falling to the earth, quiet, easy, free. There's nothing to do, nothing to hold, just this, just being, just now. Your hips, your back, let them soften too, let them melt into the surface below. Imagine a warmth, gentle, golden, spreading through you, slow, steady, like sunlight on water. It flows, it eases, it soothes, and you let it be. Your chest, your heart, feel them rise, fall, with each breath, each wave, each moment. No need to think, no need to plan, just this rhythm, this quiet, this peace, in, out, slow, slower, still. Your shoulders, your arms, your hands, let them go now, let them rest. They've carried so much, held so much, but not now, not here. Feel them lighten, feel them drift, like feathers on the wind, soft, free, calm. Your neck, your jaw, your face, let them soften too. Release the day, release the noise, release the weight. Your forehead smooths, your eyes relax, your lips part, just a little, just enough to breathe, to be, to rest. And now, your mind, the busiest part, the loudest strongest part. It's okay. It can rest too. Imagine a lake, wide, deep, still. The surface shines, reflects the sky, but beneath, it's quiet. It's calm. It's you. Thoughts come like ripples, small, fleeting, but they fade. They always fade into the stillness, into the deep. Let them go now. Let them drift. Let them sink. You don't need to follow. Don't need to hold. Don't need to think. Just be. Just here. Just now. The lake is yours. The quiet is yours. The peace is yours. In, out, slow, slower, still. Feel your breath, feel your body, feel your being, all one, all whole, all calm. There's no past to pull you, no future to push you. Just this, just now, just you. The world fades, the noise fades, the thoughts fade, and what's left is light, is soft, is free. Imagine a space now, a place, yours alone. Maybe it's a forest, tall trees, leaves whispering in the breeze. Maybe it's a shore, waves lapping, sand warm beneath you. Maybe it's a sky, endless, open, stars blinking above. Wherever it is, it's yours, it's safe, it's still. Step into it, slow, easy, let it hold you. Feel the ground, feel the air, feel the quiet. There's no need to think, no need to do, just be, just stay, just rest. The trees sway, the waves sigh, the stars glow, and you breathe, you are, you exist. Let your breath carry you deeper, deeper into this place, into this peace. Each breath a step, each pause a gift, each moment yours. In, out, slow, slower, still. The edges blur, the lines fade, and you're not just in this place, you are this place. You are the quiet, you are the calm. Thoughts may come, they may try, but they're small now, weak now, fading now. Wave them away, gentle, kind, like a breeze brushing petals from a branch. They don't stay, they don't need to. They're not you, you're more, you're deeper, you're here. Feel it now, the shift, the letting go, the being. Your body is light, your mind is free, your heart is open. There's nothing to solve, nothing to fix, nothing to fear. Just this, just now, just peace. In, out, slow, slower, still. Stay here as long as you want, as long as you need. This place doesn't leave. This quiet doesn't end. This being doesn't fade. You can come back anytime, anywhere, with a breath with a pause, with a choice. Stop thinking, start being, and rest. Just rest. Just be. When you're ready, when the time feels right, let your eyes open, slow, soft, like dawn breaking over the hills. Bring this calm with you, this stillness, this you. The world will wait, it always does, and you'll meet it not with thoughts, but with being, with peace, with light. For now, stay, breathe, be. In, out, slow, slower, still. You're here, you're enough, you're everything.